Hey everybody, so let's get started by Googling Book Creator. You scroll down until you see the webpage, bookcreator.com, and there we are. Then click on Create a Free Account. And here's the student sign in first. So you select the teacher sign in, and you can sign in with these options. I always do it with Google. Alright, once you set up your account, you can have libraries, Discover or Learn. Here I'm on Discover, and you've got many lovely books created by several teachers. You can get inspired on. So our purpose here is to create a new library. So the free plan allows only one active library. So here I've got a book, but you can create a new book. Okay, you can select a blank book or a template. Right, this one is really colorful, for example. Here you are, and you can of course edit this by means of unlocking it. So you can click on this icon and unlock it. Okay, the same goes for all the objects you see. Right click on it and unlock them. Then you can of course edit this book. This is lovely. And if you do it in the other way, you can go to My Books and try a blank template. Right? You can come to this button, Add Media, Shapes, and you can create a model from scratch. I want to create a beautiful blue cover, and I can do it. Okay, and I can also add text. Here, my first book, for example, here it is. And then if I come, you can of course add a link or customize the video. But if you come to this button, this inspector, here you can change the color. You see, go back, then you can change the size. You can change shadows to it. You can change the font. You can adjust it just like you want. And here it's perfectly in the perfect place. And how do you add a white page? You click on this icon, and then you open next page or a new page, blank page. And then of course you can add items. For example, if you click on import, you have so many options. You can upload a file, you can embed, of course, a link, or you can search for images. For example, I want to write character. Okay, and then I want to add a text over this, and then I add once upon a time, blah blah blah. Alright, the same goes as we did before. You can customize this, blah blah, and you can also record and leave a recording message. So here it's the button. Okay, so and that's it. Then you can click on this and you can flip your book. I hope you enjoyed it.